Tonight's game is Emmanuel. The first runner-up and this week's veto power holder is Pere. It is time to use your veto power.
I save myself and I replace myself with Queen.
Guys, today's another head of house game and it comes with a twist. Like when I tell you that Biggie keeps changing the game and we're loving it, we're not complaining, okay? So any housemates that wins the head of house today gets luxury room, 250 abeg naira and 250 abeg token. And the person that comes second, you guys know before that the head of house that wins is usually has the power to save and replace, but this time it's different. The housemates that come second gets the veto power, and the person will be able to use the save and replace power. So for the head of house game today is quite different from last week as well. They're like obviously 35 steps, and Biggie told them that today's head of house game is obviously harder, like they have to work for it, but then he also gave them extra time. So the time today is 1 minute and 30 seconds. There are 6 obstacles. And the first one is they have to move the pink pong ball from point A to point B with a spoon, and they must not touch it with their hand. If it falls, they have to start over again. Then also have to walk over like a beam and stuff. And if they fall off it as well, they have to start over again. The obstacle B, they have to roll a 6. You guys know that before they usually have to roll a 6, and once they roll the 6, that's when they're starting. But it's quite different this time. They have to, like, after the first obstacle, they roll a 6, and that 6 is what will allow them to move on. So if they don't roll a 6 after that first obstacle, which is obstacle B, then they don't move on from that point. So once they're able to roll a die 6, then that means they're starting. Then they roll another die, then the die they roll, then that's what will count on for the stop. Guys, it's such a mouthful. Then for obstacle C, which is water break. So for obstacle C, which is the water break, you guys know regularly you have to drink water and stuff. For obstacle D and E, which is similar to obstacle D and E, they're similar, so they have to fetch an item from the vase. It is apparently it's filled with gooey gooey item. So they have to wash it. And finally, for the last obstacle F, they have to untie a shoelace. If you guys remember last year, they untied the shoelace as well. So that's the obstacle for today, and that's the twist for today. Guys, this head of house thing here, I don't know who is going to win, but guys, I am up for it. So the first to play today was Nini. She was doing well until she got to obstacle 12, which she had to start over. Queen got to step 6. Cross, it was bad luck for Cross because he actually got to step 12 twice, which is start over. The first time he got to step 12, he had to start over. Second time again, he got to step 12, he had to start over before the buzzer went off. Angel got to step 10. Yusuf had luck getting the first roll, like the first die, because they had to roll the die 6 first, but it stopped at step 8, which was game over. Saga Omo, that guy has 0 luck, so right now is faith. Pere got to step 15, and guys, I told you that the person that wins second will be the winner of the veto power. So right now, Pere has veto power. Emmanuel finished on step 26, which makes him the head of house. Liqourose got to step 8, game over. White Money got to step 8, game over. Sasuke got to step 8, game over, which makes Emmanuel the winner. And the runner-up is Pere, which gives him the veto power. So guys, it gets juicy. You guys know that Emmanuel is now the head of house. Pere as well won the veto power, and they were both nominated for eviction. So now Emmanuel is safe being the head of house, but Pere has to use his veto power, and he's up for eviction as well. At first I was like, Pere, you better not be stupid, think this very thoroughly and know who you're going to be putting up. So he said because I thought he was going to be saving someone else and not himself. So he ended up saving himself as Pasha Boy. He said he saves himself, and he's putting up Queen for eviction. He's putting up Queen for eviction. So there's a new development. Now the people up for eviction are Saga, liqourose, White Money, J Paul, Sasuke, Jackie B, and the new person Queen. So they're up for eviction. Then as well, Emmanuel had to pick a deputy head of house, and liquor, you guys know it was going to be liqourose. So liqourose was the deputy head of house. And that concludes tonight's head of house game, guys. I am loving this development. It choke, die, sweet, die. I'm loving it. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section down below. Do you guys like this new way, or the way Biggie changed the game or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll be back with more updates. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click notification bell, and yeah, bye guys.